Here we go, it's the first customer.
What the fuck do you want? You were a customer man. What does that look like to you?
That looks like a package of cocaine. Here we go, it's the first customer turning up. GTR R35 Beast. What are we doing, Bert?
We're gonna just plug the old diagnostics in now.
It's got no reverse, has it? Either.
Gearbox is mounted.
This is a bit munted. We need a new one of these soon.
Sergio's one from AliExpress.
Yeah, this is Alex.
Snap on.
So he's got in here carbon fibre lookalike cage, some Williams harnesses. All this trim here, he said, was Alcantara. How much did he say he had done on the interior? 15 grand. 200k in, 1080 horsepower. Beast. So today we're taking old Berther, the racing truck, the local Bricomart as it's called, which is like a B&Q. We're going to buy some more stuff for the office and the toilet today, and new roof panels, because we tried removing the roof panels the other day. The fiberglass is shit, or they're all broke. I'm going to build like a false ceiling. We need to put a fan in the wall, run all the electrics. We need to remove these because otherwise they're going to be too thick with the plasterboard by the time they get there. I'm going to buy some more of this 20mm wood. Yeah, we've got quite a bit to do today. So we're going to go in the old Bangle bus. Mate, if we have an accident in this, our legs are oh God. Where am I? In the middle? Coming in, Sergi. What's this, a lap belt?
Good truck.
Good truck.
Fast.
Oh my God, it's got a fucking Adeo.
AliExpress.
It needs an extender, look.
Oh. No?
No. That bastard. Oh, Sergi. Maxed out, yeah? Oh, yeah. Come on, Drew. Yes.
Oi. Oh yes, it's not good here, isn't it?
Yeah, just a bit. Oh, can you take any more room up?
Red seat belts. Boy.
Yeah, we had to extend this one.
Here we go. Maho Puente.
Mi scusi. Mi scusi.
God, fucking Sergi, don't do that again.
One axle fucks off.
Bye, Felicia.
No, no. I see.
Bye,
But
All I got out of that, Bricomart is the best in Mallorca. Sergi, it's not your E36 drift car right now.
Yeah.
Can I just point out
Yeah.
that this is the most uncomfortable way of opening a glove box. Try it. Go for it. How uncomfortable is
What? It's meant to go right, not left.
it? You can't get your fat fingers on it if you've got
Yeah,
fat
but
fingers.
Sergi's fingers, look.
Yeah.
Look, look. Oh my, ease.
It's not made for obese people.
No. What's this?
There's a Coke. Oh, there.
Oh, there's a kilo in there.
Renault trucks. That's what you get with your
Race
70
truck.
grand, eh?
Is that how much these are? How much are these?
A lot. Look up Loca. Crazy.
Yeah. Crazy driver. Do you reckon how
I
mine?
knew he was going to go for it. Go on, my son.
Go on, boy. What he means is, Sergi, in English, is go the f over there. Whoa, fuck yeah.
Do that Entrada.
Pero te puedo entrar dentro.
Yeah, a ver, vamos.
And here we go. Faster you do it, Sergi, the less likely you are to hit anything. What does recto mean? To the right?
Straight.
Oh.
Straight.
Straight. Straight.
Left.
Do a burnout on his shit.
Left.
Watch out for the Toyota.
Right, go right here. Oh, God.
Oh,
So distressing.
Jesus. Sergi, chill out, man.
And ponte aquí a derecha. Ok, vamos aquí.
Just park here and we'll go over there. That's what that meant.
That's it.
Hold on. Go.
Abro los lados.
Hold on, I'm coming. Nearly lost my testicles on the seatbelt. We could have just bought lintels from here, mate. You're right there, Bert. Scaffolding. So we bought this stuff here so we could make a sign, and we're going to buy some of this. I think it's just very see-through. How many sheets of this are we going to get?
I reckon there's 2 of these.
Right, hold on. Hold this. Oh, they're really flimsy, Bert.
4 of these.
Yeah, we need 8 of these. Going in the back, aren't they, Drew?
Loads of room. Look at that.
Sergi's just nicked a terracotta pot. Look, we need some wood.
No plastic.
Oh, it won't fit with now. We can take it another time.
Yes, it will.
I can feel my lungs burning already.
Do you want to get some plasterboard or not?
Yeah, we can do, but it's going to break.
We need to. Wood's not here.
We
is
need
it?
wood.
It's like
No.
that one.
I'm going to go and look for the wood. Just casually going to go and walk around this place like a weirdo. Wheelbarrows. There's loads of shit here. Fucking, I love this place. Drive up, get your stuff, and get out. You paying for it? Good man, good man. Nah, we don't need it now. I'll jump in with Sergio. Hello, taxi driver. Oh, I need a mask. And we need a trolley. Have you got a euro? Oh my God, Drew. This is a proper worker's van. Got a bottle opener on it. I know, but you could use it as a bottle opener. Oh, it's fucking rude.
Actually, that's, yeah, it would probably work, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would, yeah. I'm going to prove you wrong now. It's actually nice here today. Come on, Sergi. Look at them lazy bastards just standing there. He just sparked up a blunty. Oh, that's it, boys, yeah. I'm trying to film while pushing a trolley. Wrong one. Oh, this place is heaven, mate. But, cheers, mate. I'm trying to push a trolley and film at the same time. Looking at all the wiring. Look at that. I wonder how much that'll weigh in for. Gotta love a workout in. Oh, look, you can bring your dogs in here. Sergi, hold on, put them against the wall. Checking they're straight. Yeah, no, that's cool. That's one. That one's good. That'll do.
What's wrong with this one?
That'll do. Straight. Well, that's assuming that the building's straight. Yep. Did you see the bunda on that?
I'm not saying that because I got fucked up once.
Why did you get fucked up once? What happened, Bert? Tell us the story.
Saw a fat kid crying, wanting some Christmas sweets. Fucking hell, he doesn't need any more of that, does he? Yeah, I went down the aisle and I went. Yeah, they only saw me, didn't they? I didn't realise that until I went down the wine aisle. Hey, you! In Spanish, like, yeah? Where's tell my daughter's fat. No, I'm not talking about her. I was talking about one of my mates. Fucking, he's put on some weight recently. My wife reminded me that they're gypsies. The other half's not went outside to sort me out.
So basically, you got caught taking the piss out of a fat kid.
I wasn't taking the piss out of the kid, right?
Right.
The kid was overweight.
Yeah, and wanted
obese,
food.
Was obese.
Yeah.
And it's not the kid's fault. It's
No.
the parents' fault.
Yeah.
But the kid was only like 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Just obese.
How round?
Right, come on,
Medicine ball round. Fine, we'll push Sergi. We need some more wood for the roof. We need this for the toilet roof. There's another €80 just in wood. We'll get some of these as well, carpenter pencils.
Oh, wow.
So we've got a wood saw.
A lot.
Have we got a wood saw? That's
We've
probably
got a saw,
all of them
yeah.
saw. We've got a
There is
hand
a wood
saw.
one, a lot, I don't know.
Come in, let's go. We're done. Go. Come on, Sergi. Find our trolley. Bert, did you buy something new?
Yeah, mate, look at these.
You've been looking at those for ages.
Yeah, the bollocks.
What are they like?
Like these sunglasses.
Are they really?
I don't know how much protection they
How
use.
long can you wear them
Hang on.
for? Can you wear them all day?
Really comfortable.
Finally back, we're having a clean up. Drew's sorting that area out. I nearly stacked it down the dyno hole. Waiting for the parts washer now to come from James. I think we're going to put it here, and when we go get the Vapor Blaster in England, it's going to go here. I'll do a video on the Vapor Blaster. When I go and pick it up, I'll explain to you how they work. And the finish that they give, we kind of need a whole day to do this extraction, so I think tomorrow, we're on a holiday now. We've not booked any work in for the 4 days. So we're going to strip these roof panels out. We've got new roof panels, and we're going to get this all done. Drew's been wiping the floor. Oh, we've got a new welding mask. Just a cheap one. It was like €80, but we need one. We need the TIG welder to finish off the framework for this. Our boy James has just turned up with some goodies. Oh, James, what have you got?
What the f do you want?
You look tired, man. Have you just driven like 20 hours?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh god. Da, da, da. God. What did Ped wrap up in there for me? He said he wrapped up something brown in there.
Customers a right laugh at you.
Why? Did they open it?
Don't know.
What do you mean they had a right laugh at us?
If you were a customs man, what does that look like to you?
That looks like a package of cocaine.
That looks like 1 kilo of your finest.
Why did Ped even put that in there? Can't believe he put that in there. Did you not get in trouble?
Yeah.
Oh, there's loads of material and everything in this. I bet there's nothing in there. I bet it's nothing. I bet there's balls and balls and balls and balls. For fuck's sake.
What's in it? So look, let's see, look.
He's put. No, I don't know what's in it. No, he hasn't told me. I think I'm wasting my time. I don't think there's anything in it at all. Right, there's one. Oh, is that Ped's best clothes? We're getting there.
You get in there. What's in there?
Small-
Oh, another Easter. Oh, wow, that is Ped's best clothes. So you got another Easter egg.
I bet this goes on forever and ever.
That looks like it could be it, eh?
I don't know. We'll find out. I don't know. Oh, for fuck's sake, Ped.
Don't cut the bag of coke open. Don't do that.
I don't think there's anything in it. I think it's. Oh, I felt something.
Yeah. I think there's
Oh.
something in it.
That's Ped's best nicks. For fuck's sake.
Oh yeah, that's like electrical tape.
Oh, I need
and
some of these.
Cable. Oh no, it's rubber grommets.
You know what I need those for? Holding my bumper on.
Oh, those things, yeah.
All this, and I bet there's a 10mm These are I bet they're like AAA batteries or something. Would he do it to me? Yes.
And why would he do it to you?
Because he's a Oh, fuck me, Ped.
No, I think he already did fuck you with that one. Are you in? Are you sure you're in?
No, I don't even know what the fuck they are. Oh, they're all the bits for the fucking wheels and that, aren't
That's
they?
right.
Oh my god, he's such a...
That looked like coke.
Did they really not? What? So how did it go? Tell us the story then of...
It was something along the lines of I roll into customs, and for the first time in my life, I actually got stopped for a paperwork error.
Yeah.
And When I did the paperwork error, they held me for 4 hours to sort out the paperwork error. And once I'd sorted out the paperwork error, they then decided that they wanted to use their anal lube and probe everything. So they basically checked every package, every little piece of paperwork, every little bit in the van, everything that I had in my sandwiches, you know.
What? So why didn't you think to yourself, brown package?
I did think to myself a brown package, and I even warned Pedro in advance that a brown package looking like a kilo of coke was a really bad idea.
So what are you going to do? You're going to beat Ped up?
Well, theoretically it was you that sent the package.
I think we should think of something to get Ped back at some point.
Kilo of talcum powder?
In the post.
I would be screwed now, you can't do that.
No, we post it.
Oh, that's a good idea.